Alright, welcome back to Red SS channel. This is going to be an unusual vlog post. Mother's Day is here. So I'm here with the Red SS. It's going to transport this really cool cake called a smash cake. There it is. I'll show it to you a little bit more in detail. You see a hammer? You smash it with that wooden hammer and out comes lots of other goodies. So this is for my wife and for Mother's Day. So let's get this in the SS. The smash cake, I was told, needs to be refrigerated, definitely not warmer than room temperature. So I'm going to turn the air conditioning on, and I'm going to put the Instagram account where you can order yours, the smash cake. I'm going to put it right here on the screen, should be popping up here, and also put it in the link description below. And really thank you, Iqrah. This is an awesome idea you got going on here. Love it. Can't wait to get the smash cake event on video. Here we go. So, we're gonna, happy Mother's Day. What do you guys say?
Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool.
Mother's Day.
Whoops. Hello.
Happy early Mother's Day. This is
Thank you.
the night before.
So what am I supposed to do with it?
You gotta smash
You have
the
to
hammer.
take the hammer
Okay.
Smash the
and, hey,
sides.
wait, the instructions are to hit the sides.
What's it made of?
I don't know.
You don't know.
No, I
It's
don't.
made of
You
cake.
gotta crush it. There you go.
No.
Ooh, there we go.
Hit it harder. Oh,
Oh, that's pretty cool.
you get all those candy. So much.
It's a lot.
We can put it in the candy bin.
Okay, and just,
That's a lot.
oh, I still gotta crush?
Oh my god.
That's awesome.
That is awesome.
Great job, smash cake. Great job, Iqrah Ehsan. Well done. Don't forget
Chocolate.
to check out her Instagram account and order your smash cake today.
Chocolate, white chocolate.
Wait,
Just do it.
Mom has an Instagram account?
No, smash cake
Oh.
on
It's like
Instagram.
white chocolate.
No, I like it. No, I want it.
I want a piece of chocolate. It's like confectioner's sugar. It's like confectioner's chocolate.
Guavas.
Cool.
I'm not.
Pretty neat, huh?
Pretty neat. Oh, cool.
Hope you guys like that video.
Okay.
Everybody say hi.
Hi. Stop. Stop. Look at the cupcake.
By the way, this is edible for those who are wondering.
How about we could edit the cup? How about we could edit the cupcake? And when we edit the cupcake, instead of putting it's Father's Day, instead of putting Happy Mother's Day, you put Happy Father's Day. And then but like I said, we'll make the cupcake a different color.
Did you put the chocolate that went in?
No, they let you decide what goes in.
And what?
You can customize it, or they have like 3 preset choices, like assorted chocolates and something else,
Cool.
and 2 other options.
This is the assorted one?
Yeah.
We're good. There we go.
Oh yeah, Jordan, your turn. Jordan, your turn. I smacked a
Go ahead, Jordan. Take a swing.
Oh, eating the cupcake today. But luckily we get some
This is a
candy.
gumball.
Good
Oh.
question. And the kids, it's a hit with the kids. Totally smashed.
This is just gonna be like my
Totally
baseball.
smashed.
Let me get this a
This
gumball.
is just gonna be like my
Obvious.
baseball play, but instead of baseball, it's literally smacking a hammer with a ball.
It's a gumball.
It's hammer ball, basically.
It's late at night. Mother's Day started early here, so. But hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll get some more car stuff coming, really cool. Can't wait to share some more car videos coming.
Cool.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
That's cool.
See you guys next time.